Yeah. Hi, I'm Zaza. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be repotting some golden pothos. So I have a few of them here. These are all from one plant. And then I have some up there and also some up here behind me too. So today what I'm doing is I have a window in my bathroom that has no plants. I have an old planter that doesn't have a plant in it. So I have two cuttings. And then I have another one here. This one's been in here for a while. And I have one that's already in a pot, but we're gonna put all three of them in here. And then I have another one up there I also might throw in here to make it look like nice and full. So the great thing about golden pothos is that they're super easy to propagate and you can just keep growing them and growing them and growing them. And then this one I have sticks inside, so it'll grow upward. All right, let's get started. Okay, so first things first, you're going to want to mix your soil together. And I use a Spoma potting soil. It's organic and it's got all the good stuff in it. And then I took a little bit of perlite, which is puffed volcanic stone. And it helps with the drainage. So you're not going to want to put rocks. If anything, you're just going to want to put the perlite. Now, whatever pot you decide to use, make sure that it has drainage holes, because that's a sure way to kill your plant by overwatering. All right. And just repeat the process. Okay, so pretty deep. I'm gonna see how I like it. It's not bad. You do want to put just a little bit more. And this is the mix that's just going to go on top after I put the plants in there. and create kind of a little divot where you want your plant to go. Put that one. Put another little divot. And since this one, get out of here. Since this one has roots all over the side, I'm gonna kind of let it grow on its side. We're gonna do a number like that. And it's okay if some of the leaves get buried because the plant's just gonna grow. And then now, create a bigger divot for this big guy here. I expect to make a total mess, so just squeeze, tap him out. He's been in here for a while, so I might be kind of root bound. Ooh. So I'm going to loosen the roots. So now the roots have their room to stretch out and grow. We're going to put this guy right in here. I had another one over there. So since I want it to look really full, I'm just gonna find some space. So if you remember, this middle one is kind of growing this way. So I have all this room right here to put another guy. There's our finished baby. Very happy with it. So some fun facts about pothos. They're also called devil's ivy because they're almost impossible to kill. They grow in most any kind of light, low light, high light, or bright light, I guess. If you put them in bright light, they're obviously going to grow faster. If you have pets, be careful. They are toxic to animals. Vomiting, oral irritation, and difficulty swallowing. But then those are the same symptoms in people, so they're poisonous all around. You don't eat them, don't your pets eat them. I have 2 cats. They don't bother them, but I also don't really keep them within reach of them. But everywhere is in reach of a cat. These guys are so easy to propagate. Like I said, all of these came from one plant. I only bought one plant. I put these 4 in here, and in like a month or 2, it's gonna get really nice and bushy, and they grow pretty quickly. So, super easy. You need a starter plant. You feel like you have a black thumb or a brown thumb or a dead thumb, then try to get one of these because they're really easy. And you'll know when they need water. They'll get all droopy. You'll see how nice and happy the leaves look. It'll look sad, and you'll know, and the leaves will kind of start going like that. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. I hope this helps you if you decide to get yourself a golden pothos, which you should. It'll improve your air quality. Happy planting, and I'll see you next time. Bye.